How to fix TikTok or how to fix Discord auto join-in servers. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone or your device. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will now just open Discord. When you open Discord, go directly to storage, and on storage go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last things, don't forget it, is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribing in our channel. See you in another video.